Hello everyone, how are you guys? Today we make very traditional Swedish meatball. As you see, the original way to make Swedish meatball with amazing sauce, you will love it. Easy way and fantastic flavor. All you need, you just follow the instruction, and here the Swedish people always use it for presented with berry jam. They love to mix with jam. Cranberry jam is fantastic. Little sweet with meatball. The both combination with vegetable is really tasty. And they always, if you visit IKEA or IKEA as they call it, you must find Sweden meatball. I make little supper, Swedish meatball, vegetable, potatoes, cranberry jam, and fresh green salad. About potatoes, Swedish crazy about potatoes. Minimum 5 days a week they must eat potatoes. They bake or they cook with skin, and that to preserve all vitamins and flavor. For me, I never eat it with cranberry jam, but they love to do it. If this first time to watch my channel, I would love you make subscribe, activate the ring, and please leave a comment and tell us what exactly you want to know. Let's go and we start how to make the amazing traditional Swedish meatball. Let's go. My name is Ahmed Younis. I'm pastry champion of Egypt, and I'm crazy about all food all over the world. First, we have 3 slices brown toast. So we have 3 slices toast, then we roasted in the oven. After that, it almost we crush it in the grater, and you mix it with 50 ml of fresh milk. So almost 4 spoons, like 30 gram of brown toast, then 50 ml of milk, little salt and pepper, salt, and we keep it almost 5 to 10 minutes just to absorb all, as you see, absorb all the moist and becomes, now it's loosey. After 5 minutes you will see different texture, and this is very important. We mix one eggs for this quantity. 1 egg is enough. You mix it well, leave it 5 minutes to absorb all the liquid. And when you roast brown bread, you can also use normal bread crumble if you have. Here it is 1 spoon of butter, and then almost 1 medium size of onion. So we cut onions small cubes as you see, and we cook with 1 spoon of butter until becomes like golden. I will leave all the recipe in description box. So we cook it to be golden. As you see, becomes a golden color, light golden color. And then We add it to the liquid mixture. Breadcrumbs, milk, 1 egg, salt and pepper, and 1 medium size of onion. So we keep it like 2-3 minutes or 5 minutes more and then ready. After 5 minutes, we mix with 400 grams of minced meat. You just mix together to have a nice combination dough. You make it until you feel is nice dough. So in one pan, again butter, like 2 spoons of butter. As you see, is hot pan. Very important to put in the hot pan. You wet your hand because to be easy to roll, and you take 1 spoon to make it roll as ball, like ping pong size. And then you can turn to the other side when you finish the quantity. It will give almost 20 pieces, and then you turn other side. It's very nice. You can smell really so tasty. You can use the same minced meat. This is from beef. You can use lamb or chicken, but I prefer beef. It's completely different taste. As you see, you can roll it until it becomes nice cooked meat. Here you can mix it 2-3 times and you have a nice golden color or little cooked color, dark brown. I increase little butter so it takes a lot of aroma and flavor from the meats, and we can use it for the sauce. So we make the sauce from the debris of the cooking meat. Make sure you bake it, you cooked well. Then I keep in Pyrex, and the rest I use the cream. So this leftover have a lot of aroma. I can add it like milliliter, 100 milliliter fresh cream, then 150 milliliter of fresh milk. You mix together, you cooked well, then you can add it salt and pepper to give a flavor. We don't put too much spicy, just to feel the aroma of the meats. So salt and pepper only, fresh cream, fresh milk. And you can use corn flour as a combined agent to thickener the sauce. First taste the sauce. If you need little more salt, you can put. This is corn flour, but only for sauce. This is not traditional or normal or regular corn flour. So this corn flour made of sauce, you just put as a powder, and he thickener the sauce. But if you don't have, you can use 1 big spoon of normal corn flour, mix it with a spoon of milk or 2-3 spoon of milk, then you thickener the sauce. This only for ready sauce. As you see, the sauce is thickener and reduced. And you can use it for